And let's take a look and see what we get on the spike here. So we're coming in hot. We've got 10 seconds before the news. We'll pull up dollar yen here. Matter of fact, we'll pull up dollar CAD in the last second just to see if we can get a spike on the 15-minute chart. Here we go. And we just reached 8:30 a.m. Let's see if we get any sort of thing on the initial release. Spike should be, if it's coming, it'll happen in the next few minutes here. Let's see dollar yen. Dollar yen initial spike to the downside. Not too much just yet. Let's see what else. If gold is making a move. Gold is continuing to rise here a little bit as we come into this. Let's see if anybody has the numbers. Please let me know. We've got 428K. Thank you very much, Tanu, for sharing that. So we are at 428. And look at that gold on the rise here, DXY. Let's take a look at the dollar here for a moment, get an idea of what's going on. So dollar coming down here, you guys. An initial reaction here to the downside. Let's see if we can follow up with the numbers and find out some more information for you. Okay, look at this. So we had unemployment with a bit of a miss here to higher than expected. So we had a forecast of 3.5%, yet unemployment and the average hourly earnings came down. This is going to be a bit of a bearish catalyst for the US dollar in my personal first reaction opinion. The dollar coming down on the news. So we're looking at the 15-minute chart. And again, seeing a bit of a spike here. If the dollar can clear this, we may see some dollar bearishness coming in today. So very interesting. CAD also missed. So let's go take a look at dollar CAD here for just a moment, see if we have any reaction. We wouldn't imagine too much here, as if both are falling, if both are negative, that doesn't necessarily lean towards a strong bias. So dollar CAD, probably not the most interesting one for me. But as we take a look at gold, this looks like it may have, look at that. It already tagged our 50% retracement real quick. I personally, I'm going to let the dust settle a little bit. I am a swing trader, so I'm not going to rush into a whole bunch of day trades. But look at that initial reaction here to 50% level came in just as we spoke about moments ago on gold. We are seeing a reaction off of that 50% level. If you had any trades on that, then congratulations to you. We'll continue on. We'll take a look at some of the indices. How is the stock market reacting to this? An initial pop on NASDAQ here to the upside, but very quickly faded. If we take a look at SPX 500, for those of you who trade that, same story. And finally, US 30 popping to the upside and then fading initially. So we'll continue our coverage here. We'll take a look at XAU USD. Gold seems to be the interesting one right now. Let's see, you guys, if we can get a break of structure here to the downside. That would be the key, that would be sort of a confirmation move, in my personal opinion, would be to see if we can get a break on that trend line that we've highlighted here on the gold chart. So that's kind of what we're looking at here. Let's continue on. We'll take a look at some other pairs. Euro USD, how's this one doing? Euro dollar popping to the upside here today on the initial reaction to the news. The euro is coming up higher. So let's take a look at the 1-hour chart. We'll back up and see what's going on. Looks like the euro may be headed back up to the previous high here, you guys. And if you're a euro dollar seller, this is potentially an aggressive area to look at, as we start to fade up. If you are, looking to be a dollar bull on a pullback, then perhaps you get your chance today. If we clear these highs, you may see the euro dollar continue to rise past this level. So we'll keep tabs on that. Again, that level 1.0624, we'll keep tabs on that. That's one that I'm personally watching. I would like to just take 1 second to take a look at some alternative currencies and look at that Euro CAD. Euro CAD on the rise here today. And if we take a look at the 4-hour chart, sitting at resistance. So for those of you guys watching Euro CAD, I do like this one potentially for a short trade myself. It's a bit aggressive as the euro seems really strong right now. I'd probably wait personally to see if the dust can settle a little bit here for a potential sell. If we consult the EdgeFinder here for just a moment, let me pull up EuroCAD. This one is a higher rated sell. I just know off the top of my head. And we've got a downward trend here. So a lot of factors here. Look at that -10 score for a strong sell on EuroCAD here this morning, according to the EdgeFinder. One more time, we mentioned Emily, we mentioned Drew earlier. Let's mention Emily since she is here in the office and ready to help you guys. Let me make sure, can we get Emily's chat for anybody who would like to get a free version of the EdgeFinder? This is our proprietary software tool that we use here at A1 Trading. If you would like a free copy, we're giving out free copies today during NFP. So please send a message to Emily if you have any questions about the EdgeFinder or about our memberships that we have available. She is on standby. Of course, I can't respond to everybody. So if you have any questions, she is the pro at that. So yeah. You're looking so excited. I am excited. Today is a big day. We have NFP. NFP is a market mover. We have a lot of setups here that are coming into play. For me, this is a day where I can see myself taking a lot of positions. And again, for those of you guys who are inside of the Discord community, keep a lookout on that. Probably shortly after this stream, I will be picking up my positions. I got stopped on Aussie CAD. Euro CAD was a profitable trade for me. CAD Swiss was a massive profit for me. So we're going to probably be picking up some more positions here. And I'm happy to hold some of these into the weekend if we get some setups. And it seems like we are getting some good ones. I like potentially Euro CAD. I like, what's Aussie CAD doing? Is Aussie CAD not so interesting? The dollar itself is coming down here a little bit and holding those losses, at least for the time being. We're sitting at support. If you're a dollar bear, you'd probably like to see this thing break underneath that support. So we'll keep tabs on that. Dollar yen, coming back to this idea that we had earlier, not moving a whole lot. Again, the NFP release here today was not a massive one, but we did get that gold trade that we discussed here. And look at that, gold coming in. This is potentially another sell for me here this week or going into next week. We have gold coming up to the 50% level. Now, like I said, I'll probably wait for the dust to settle, wait for price action to calm down just a little bit more, and then I'll probably be taking my trades. But I think I like gold potentially on the short side. I think I like Euro CAD potentially on the short side. And we'll see what comes out of this. You know, that would just be my personal couple favorite pairs. Now, guys,
interested in seeing our trades live as they happen? By joining the A1 Trading Discord, you'll get a notification every time one of our traders enters a position. Each trade we share comes with an entry price, a stop loss, and most importantly, a full breakdown of why the trade was taken. Learn alongside our experienced traders, join our active chat room, and ask your questions in our coaching webinars. Between our team of active traders, we trade forex pairs, commodities like gold and oil, crypto, and stocks. By joining the group, you'll be able to keep up with all of it. Sign up today using the link in the description, and don't forget to use our promo code listed below for a special subscriber discount. Thanks for watching, and see you inside.